home renovations can make your home more enjoyable, but can also mean you need to update your homeowner's insurance. So before tackling that new porch, remodeling your kitchen, or adding a patio or deck, make sure you have the coverage that fits your updated home. Here are some tips. Before you renovate, ask your agent if you need to make any changes to your homeowner's policy, because some upgrades, like adding a living space, a pool, or other detached structures, may require you to increase your coverage as a result of the renovation. On the other hand, some home renovations like security systems, fire protective devices, and green home certification can qualify you for savings on your policy. Also, it's important to ensure your contractor has insurance. Ask them to provide their certificate of insurance. Home remodeling or not, it's a good rule of thumb to review your insurance annually to make sure your coverage is still appropriate. If you're considering a home renovation, talk to your Travelers representative or independent agent today.